Hey, welcome to my messy garage. Today we're going to be doing this unboxing. I just came back from Best Buy. Told me my item was ready, and of course you all know what it is, right? It's not the Fly More combo. This is a regular. So I know everybody's been doing the combo out there, but I already have the Mavic Air 2 combo. So I figured I leverage what I have. So here it is, in just the Mavic Air. Okay, I know that a lot of you guys have been doing this. So this is what the box looks like, guys, and here's what's in the box. Probably not much. Oh, actually a lot. I shouldn't say not much. This is very nice. Okay, so this is all you're gonna get with the regular. Just you get the drone, and let's see what's under here. There it is. So that's all you get is the manuals, the controller, one battery, and the accessory box. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, so welcome to my garage, and this is it. This is my bench where I get a lot of my mechanic stuff done. As you can see, there's a cylinder head back here from my 1976 Jeep. I had a 460 in that. Man, that thing is awesome. I painted it to match my boat, so I had a rig. So you got the cables, USB cables, and the additional cables for your FPV, right? So yeah, I'll be using this cable on my controller, not the lightning. I know a lot of you guys are out there iPhone guys. I'm not one of those. I am an Android guy. Am I doing something wrong? I don't think so. So there is an orientation to this, right? So as you can, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but if I can get it to focus. Yeah, see it has the little controller signal on there. Yep, it sure does. So you got to plug it in the right way so it wraps around. So first thing I'm going to do is put the right cable in there for my phone, right? Which is an Android phone. All right, so here's the charger. Nothing different about the charger. You only get one USB port on the charger, as you can see right there, and might as well just set this guy up as a unit and plug this cable in so I know what cable goes to what. And you got the customary cellophane, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but they put this little tearaway section here that I can never get it to tear right. Oh, I did that time. You see that? There you go. And so far we have the controller, the drone, right? Props, and that is it on this, guys. So there you go. That's what's in the box when you buy just the regular, not the Fly More combo, just the drone and the controller. Okay, so there's the unboxing of the newest Air 2 out there. So can't wait to go fly it. I already had my batteries all charged up, ready to go, so let's go out there and fly. I mean, have a good time. As you can see, my shirt just says, "Duran Fly, just fly." So I'm just gonna fly.